What up, YouTube? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss, back at it again. So today I got some beef short ribs. Gonna go ahead and do in some beef broth, diced tomatoes, and red cooking wine. Gonna season my favorite dry rub. First, I'm gonna start off by got a little seasoning on it. This is my dry rub right here. If you haven't checked it out, I got a video on it. So yeah, now I got it searing. Whoa, real hot, buddy. See, let's see it. I don't want it to cook all the way through. I'm just gonna get a press on each side, then I'm gonna transfer it to my crock pot to cook for about 6 hours on low. Put my season side down so I didn't lose any season on the board. Then I'm gonna put a little season on this side so when I get it flip it. Flip these over. Look at that nice crust on them. See, now both sides have a nice crust to it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my slow cooker. Now I got a onion sliced. Put it in there. Nice flavor. So I'm gonna put the whole can of diced tomatoes in. One cup of beef broth. And a half cup of the red cooking wine. And we're gonna let that cook on low, 6 hours. I have took out my meat. I'm gonna turn the crock pot on high. And put your tablespoon of cornstarch in here. You know, to thicken up your. We're gonna let it cook for about 15 minutes and it's gonna thicken it up. So now you can see our gravy has got nice and thick, like we want it. Just by adding a tablespoon of cornstarch. Let's go ahead and add our meat back in. Slowly adding our meat back in. And then you just can let it set and cool down. And it'll be ready to go over top of your rice, your potatoes, or whatever you would prefer. Probably gonna put it with some white rice. Here we have our final results of the beef ribs over white rice. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming at you. Make sure you smash that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me you already haven't. And drop some comments. Hey, let me know something else that you want to do. And we're going to do a Q&A coming real soon. Peace out.